Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a JBL Link music portable smart speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you want to do this hard reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not working because it's not connecting to your phone or other device, or it's not syncing with the app, or it's not pairing with Bluetooth, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If you just want to replace the speaker, I'll put a link in the description to a new speaker. The other reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you want to just delete all the settings, all the pairing history, everything like that off this speaker, so that you can go ahead and just get a fresh start and just like you're taking the speaker out of the box for the first time, reset it. It's really easy to do on this speaker. All you need to do is turn the speaker on first of all, and then you're just going to come behind it to the microphone mute button, and you're just going to press and hold the microphone mute button for 14 seconds. And after 14 seconds, the speaker will reboot into its factory default settings, and you can go ahead and set it up like new.